Hey guys, welcome back. Ray DeLumo again from Ray's Thunder Garage, back on our 56 Ford Thunderbird that came in from Pennsylvania just about 2 weeks ago. Now you guys might recall that this car has been in the family for like 68 years, since it was brand new. And now the son-in-law and the daughter want to go all the way with this car. So we started the deconstruction process. You can see it's up on the rotisserie, and that's pretty much step one. I'm gonna hold judgment as to just how nice this body is, because I think it's pretty good. Because you really don't know what you got until it's media blasted, and that's gonna happen pretty soon. But just from what I can tell now, the front end is in pretty good shape. It doesn't look like the car has ever been hit. The rockers and all of the floor pans look really good. I mean, they got their standard issue surface rust. And back in the quarters, we've got some corrosion that you usually get in the lower quarters. So we'll see what is lingering beneath the black paint, which by the way is the original color. That's right, black with raven black with the black and white interior is where we're gonna go with this car. Of course, we also got the chassis over here, which has been stripped to the bone. It'll be on the rotisserie tomorrow, and we'll get that media blasted. Our engine will be sent off to the engine shop. Transmission will do the same thing, and those will get rebuilt. And then it's just one piece at a time, and it's a ton of fun. And you just slowly go through it, and you get all this stuff back together, and you got a brand new car all over again. And it's a pretty cool deal. I'm going to show you something else pretty cool. Here's some of the front end components off this car. Lower control arms, upper control arms, some of the tie rod assembly right here. But look at these babies. Yeah, I'll give you guys just a second, because I know the guys that know what this is know what this is. These are, believe it or not, these are standard issue 1956 rear shocks. So this car, when its whole life, without ever getting new shocks. So you don't see them a lot, and these are really shot. So they won't be going back on the car. But it's, it's just another rare element to this whole package. Over here, we've got the rest of the stuff that's gonna get media blasted. I gotta disassemble the rear axle right here. But you got the hood, the deck lid, all of the front suspension components, and the doors, you name it. Skirts, all this stuff will get blasted and get treated to be primed and ready to be rebuilt. The engine is way over there swinging behind the Corvette, which is coming along real nice, by the way. So I'll keep you guys posted as we go through the step-by-step on this car. It's gonna be a fun project to follow, and you'd be surprised how long or how short it takes to get it done. And once again, guys, we always appreciate it when you check in. See ya.